In this video, we'll look at some ways you can customize your Rise 360 courses. You can add your own logo and a cover photo for your course, choose a custom accent color, change the fonts, and choose whether or not to use block entrance animations. Let's begin by adding a custom logo to our course index page. Click Settings, and under Logo, click the Upload Logo button and find an image on your computer. Find the logo, select it, and click Choose. Preview of your logo right here. Let's go ahead and add a cover photo for our index page so we can customize the look of the course with a photographic cover. You can upload your own image or search Content Library for a cover photo and choose a search term. That's a great looking image. If you want to select it, click Select, and that will download the cover photo, and you'll see a preview of the thumbnail here. And you can also choose whether or not to show that in the sidebar of your course menu. And if you want to adjust the text contrast, you can do that as here as well. 30% seems to work really well on most photos, so I'll leave that at the default setting. And then if for any reason you wanted to start over, find a different cover photo, you can click the trash can icon to remove it and reinsert a new photo. Now, each course you create has a primary accent color that appears throughout the course. If you want to customize that color, come down here under Font and Color Customization and click the Customize Theme button. And you can see there are some default accent colors up here. By default, the orange is selected, so you can choose a different color. Doing so, you can preview the color here below and see how it cascades down to all of the different elements. If you want to add your own custom color, maybe for branding requirements, you can do that by clicking the Custom button and then just typing in your own hex value. So if we want to do something a little brighter, like that, click Done, and we have that new shade of pink that will go throughout our course now. Now, to change your heading and body fonts, you can click the drop-down menu for each. This is the heading font, and you can quickly try on different font pairs based on choosing heading and body from these pre-built font sets. Really great way to see how the different fonts will look in your course. And if you ever wanted to reset the combinations, maybe you just went a little too far away from where you want to be, just click the Reset Default Fonts and we will reset those to the default heading and body. Now, you also have the option to upload your own custom fonts for the heading and body text. Just click the Manage Custom Fonts link, choose Add Custom Font, and give your custom font a name. So here you can either use the font name if you want, or you can give it a course name, meaning something that's easily identified for a specific course. I'm just going to call it Boing, since that'll be the font that I upload. Now, keep in mind that you have to upload at least the regular weight of that font. If you want to add the bold and italic, you can do that as well, but you at least need to add that one weight for the regular. So I'm going to go ahead and click Upload. And because you're adding web fonts, your fonts will need to be in the WAF file format. I'm going to go ahead and click Choose. Rise is going to process that font. We should see a preview of it when we click Save. There's the font right there. I'm going to go ahead and click either Add Custom Font to add another font or close out of the Manage Custom Fonts window. And now I'll see that up here at the top under my custom fonts. Now, the cool thing is your custom fonts will also be available for all Rise courses you create because you've added them under your own account. Each time you create a new Rise course, you'll have access to any of the custom fonts that you create. And those custom fonts will also go along with the courses. If you ever share the courses with a collaborator or with a fellow teammate or a customer, the custom fonts will also be included. Now let's look at one more setting you can use to personalize your course themes. I'm going to click Save to return to my settings. And I'm going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom of the page and find the block entrance animations. Now, by default, non-text blocks will animate smoothly into view as learners scroll through the block lessons, but you can turn off the animations if you prefer. Just toggle this switch on and off to enable or disable the animations. I really like those animations, so I'm going to keep it on. Okay, those are just a few of the ways you can customize your course themes in Rise 360.